Okay, let's wish you na. Tapos na. Go ahead.
Sabi na doon siya uuwi.
Hello, good afternoon. Good evening pala. Ang pagpupulong na ito ay Hindi, first of all, gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyo lahat for being here.
Sino na naman yung makuha natin ako pa?
Yeah, gusto na po namin magpasalamat sa inyo lahat for supporting this concert. And ayan, mag-enjoy lang po tayo lalo tomorrow dahil marami po kami ng inihandang sorpresa. Lalo si Stella, dami yung sorpresa. It will be a great show tomorrow. Talagang mag-enjoy po kayo lahat. Kaya if you have friends na hindi pa po nakaka-avail ng tickets, meron pa pong tickets na available. So I hope you guys can invite your friends for tomorrow's concert. Thank you!
Hi everyone, good evening po! First of all, I would like to thank Star Media Entertainment for bringing this wonderful, wonderful concert here in the US and of course in Canada. And of course, thank you din Kuya Eric for...
Napaka-formal mo na.
Maraming salamat po kasi sinama mo ako and bagong opportunity for me, experience, because you know naman na I always do concerts, US and Canada with SB19. But now, this is a very different feeling for me kasi alone and with sobrang kilala, sobrang sikat, sobrang galing na singer.
Nasistel.
Pero alam naman namin na yung mga kapwa Pinoy, sobrang supportive. Kaya inaasahan namin bukas na mag-iingay din. Okay, kaya ito rin na sabi ko, if you have mga friends na walang gagawin tomorrow, mga family, o mga jowa nyo, kung meron invite nyo na tomorrow para mas marami tayong makakasama tomorrow. Okay ba yun? Yes! Sayo, thank you so much. Sana nag-dinner na kayo. Thank you po, thank you.
Okay, we will start the photo op already. So maybe we'll just do per line. Ganito na lang. So we'll